First, open your Canva video project. Adding audio can help enhance your video by including music, voiceovers, or sound effects. To add audio, follow these simple steps. On the left-hand side of your screen, click on the Uploads tab. Then, click the Upload Files button. Locate and select the audio file you want to use. This could be an MP3 or another supported format. Click Open, and the file will begin uploading. Once uploaded, it will appear under the Audio section. To add the audio to your video, simply click on the file or drag and drop it into your timeline. You'll see a bar appear at the bottom labeled Drop Music here, but don't worry, it works for any audio type. Once the audio is added, you can customize it by clicking on the 3 dots next to the audio track. Here, you'll find options like Adjust, Fade, Beat Sync. For example, if you're using background music, you might want to use the Fade option or lower the volume in Adjust so it doesn't overpower your voiceover or main content. And that's it. You've successfully added audio to your Canva video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.